Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this absolutely fabulous 2-bedroom semi-detached property. Tucked away on a lovely quiet cul-de-sac. You've got off-road parking for multiple cars to the front. A lounge, a lovely fitted kitchen diner which overlooks the spectacular rear garden, and 2 generous double bedrooms. The master complete with fitted wardrobes and a lovely 3-piece bathroom suite. Now we're located over on Peter Street in Eccles, which is perfectly located in regards to your local amenities, transport links. You've got excellent schools all on your doorstep. Trafford Centre, even just a short walk away, which will take you around 10-15 minutes to get over there. And then straight on through to the kitchen dining space. Literally not compromising on anything at all with this stunning property. A perfect first home, potentially even a downsize. Look at the size of this incredible garden. So gated access back around the front. It's also sheltered. The first paved patio and small lawn, and then a slight tear up to the second lawn, divided by this lovely central path. Trees allow fabulous privacy, and you do benefit from the sun. As you will see though, you've also got excellent scope for further development for those looking at a project. It's an incredible first home. Now as we head up to the first floor, as I mentioned, you've got 2 fantastic double bedrooms and then a beautiful timeless 3-piece bathroom suite. Beautifully decorated throughout, as you can see, which continues to the first floor. Stunning modern interior. So shower just sat above the tub here in the bathroom. And the second bedroom, as I mentioned, easily accommodates a double and overlooks this incredible garden. Plenty of space around the double bed. And lastly, on into the master bedroom. Fitted wardrobes behind me here, lovely and bright. That beautiful panelling, creating a lovely accent wall behind the bed, along with this beautiful bay window, which is allowing this room to be absolutely flooded with natural light. So fitted cabinetry, floor to ceiling, and then a higher up storage just at the top there. So as I mentioned, we are over on Peter Street. This fabulous 2-bedroom semi-detached property, complete with off-road parking, a fantastic garden, which does offer the potential for further development for those who are interested, but equally ready to just move straight into and unpack your bags. So if you'd like to come along for a viewing yourself, and please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.